everyone, my name's Marissa and this is the Sair Fingir by Walter Wingate. You've hurt your finger? Poor wee man. Your pinky? Dearie me. No, just you hold it that way till I get my specs and see. Oh my, so it is. And there's the skelf. No, dinna greet nae mair. See there, my needle's gotten it out. I'm sure that wasnae sair. And now, to make it hail the morn, put on a wee bit saw and tie a bonny hanky round it. No, there na, run awa. Your finger's sair and all. You're rogue, you're only letting on. Wheel then. See now? There you are, rowed up the same as John.